It's time for Money Matters. This past week has been wild for the stock market. Some of the key words have been Reddit, hedge funds, and the phrase stonks. Josh Smith of Strategic Wealth Designers joins us now to help sort it all out. So Josh, I guess to start, what is a stonk?
Yeah, it's a fun word to say, isn't it? We're all learning new slang. So a stonk, really, that's just internet slang for a lot of younger investors in the 20s and 30s. It's just really used to describe the stock market. So when someone's saying the stonks, that's what they're just talking about, the stock market.
I'm so out of touch, clearly, but I'm glad you're keeping up with all of this. So GameStop and AMC seem to be at the center of all the controversy we've been hearing about. Can you break down exactly what's going on?
So what's happening here is some Reddit users had gotten together and they figured out a lot of hedge funds have what's called a short position in these two particular stocks. And basically they piled in buying these stocks. And because nothing fundamental at the company, when there's more buyers than sellers, it just naturally rises, those stock prices rises. So you're seeing what's called a short squeeze. So when these hedge funds had shorted these stocks or they were betting on them going down, these Reddit buyers coming in, that causes that particular stock price to just go quickly up through the roof.
So we've also heard about trading limits being imposed on investors. Is that legal?
Well, this is an interesting one, and it's probably going to play out in the courts in the weeks and months ahead. On one side, in particular, is the trading platform, Robinhood, is really at the center of this. They're stating that because the stock prices, especially AMC and GameStop, have swung so much, there's so much disruption in the market, that in order for them to remain solvent, they had to limit trading on these particular stocks. But there is some concern from the retail investing side that Robinhood may be limiting those trades because they do a lot of business with some of these large hedge funds. So that's a bit of unfairness, right? You know, that's not a market. So it will be interesting to see what actually comes out from a legal perspective. But I know a lot of lawyers are gearing up, and it will be an interesting court battle, like I said, for the weeks and months ahead.
Without a doubt. I can see the documentaries now about all of this.
Yes, they're being written right now.
Yep. Josh, thank you so much.
Thank you.
For more tips to make your money matter, visit our website, WKYT.com. If there's something you'd like us to discuss, send your request to news@WKYT.com and we'll talk about it here.